Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over how to create a trip. So from the main page, we'll go to Settings, Resources, Trips. It's going to take us to a list of our already created trips. But if we want to create a new one, go ahead and click Create. On the General tab will be the first tab. You'll enter the name, the type of trip it is. You can disable them here if you're not ready for them to be active. The description and anything that is required will have an asterisk like that. Departure details, location, agreement terms, and tax. And once you get done entering this, you would go to the Media tab. You can click on the tabs above, or you can click Next to go to the next tab. Media tab is where all of the pictures and videos would be entered. So you can enter them here. The tickets is just going to be the tickets created for this trip. So if you wanted to add a ticket, just click on that. You'll add a ticket field to go ahead and fill out the ticket name, duration, price, tickets available, type it is, and description. And you can add more just by clicking another add ticket on here. Now going to the options, this is where we can add boater's test options, or we can create a custom option. Now this can be a lot of different things, but any extras that you want to add on, like camera packages or etc., can be added on here, and you can add values for each individual one. The availability tab sets the availability for the trip. So if it's not a seasonal trip, it operates year-round. You can check this. If not, you can set a valid from and to date. It won't allow you to click this with that clicked. So default closeout time just sets default, and you can adjust different other than default later. Start of next day, cutoff. Now the calendar, you can allow ticket sales without arrival date and schedule. Basically it's just like an open ticket, or you can have days of the week, so you can just check all of the days of the week if it's available every day. Schedule, this is going to be the schedule for the trip. So you will want to use a schedule and then go ahead and click add schedule to add each individual time to the trip. Cutoff is here just so if there's a cutoff for the time. So if you don't want anybody booking the 12 p.m. within an hour, you can set a cutoff for an hour. Minimum tickets and maximum tickets. Maximum tickets is common. That's the maximum tickets for that hour. It's usually by how much equipment you have or how many spaces you have available. And minimum tickets is if you require somebody to purchase at least 2 tickets or at least 3 tickets instead of 1. Equipment is where you add the equipment associated with the trip. So if this was a jet ski one, we would add each jet ski that we have to this trip. And you can set other than the default max places for this equipment here if you would like. If not, it will be set to the default. Marketing, this is a section that offers a few different things. So call to action messages are messages that show up on your booking portal. Of course, you can hover over any of these question marks to show you exactly what this section does. Confirmation text message is the text message that is sent to customers at the time of booking. Calendar message is a little bit more complicated, but essentially it's something to do with the booking portal calendar. It allows you to link to other trips if you want. You can actually even create a link to anything if you would like on your calendar message. And after you get done entering all the information, you would hit save, and it will create a new trip just like this one, where you can go in and see everything that you've entered and edit it if you would like, add more to it, etc.